I record.
Wait, what's your intro? Do you have like an intro that you always say?
You said this one other time.
Hey,
No.
what is up, everybody?
Oh, that was a good shot.
Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be reviewing the CLYW Snow Lizard. Let's get into it. The Snow Lizard is a great yo-yo. Definitely competition worthy. I might use it, but the problem is I don't have another one. Like, I think it's $85 for one of them. Specs are going to be right here, so take a good look at those, and you can see for yourself if it's worth buying. Alright, so I've had this yo-yo for a couple weeks now. Not gonna lie, it's a great yo-yo. It's really stable. It's a bit on the heavy side for me. I personally like a lighter yo-yo, but like, that's just the way I roll. Okay. So, not gonna lie, yo-yo's terrible for finger spins because it has a little dimple thing in the middle.
It's for axles.
Right there. It's for,
Axles.
axles?
Axles.
Axles.
That's what it's for.
It's for axles, guys.
Yeah.
But it's really good at grinding. Like, it'll stay on your finger for quite a long time. I'm just bad at grinding. You're not? Yeah! So, as you can see, it just sucks finger spins. And thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.